Hey, how you doing? We're going to do a restoration project on a Volkswagen Beetle. This is a 1969. I just picked it up a few days ago. The exterior is in pretty good shape, but the interior needs a lot of work. We'll walk you through the outside of the exterior. The motor's been recently redone by SPC Racing down in Atlanta, Georgia. The interior, we bought a kit from J-Bugs. It comes with a new headliner, new carpet, new door panels, new seat covers, and for an additional cost, you can buy the new foam for both front and rear seats. And I opted to buy gray with a blue insert. It should look pretty good when it's done. We're going to walk you through this whole flames ghosted into the hood and the side panels. Kind of hard to see in this particular sunlight, but it looks pretty good. The motor's in pretty good shape. They say it's a 1915 cc. I know that the crank has been welded and balanced. Got oversized valves. They've been polished and ported. It has a upgraded timing gear. It has dual Weber 44 carburetors. It runs really well. It was built in 2016, so it's got less than 500 miles on it. I think it'll last us quite a few years with very minimal that we need to do to the motor. So the interior, the passenger side door panel doesn't look too bad. The inside though is a much different story. The seats are pretty bad, a lot of stains, but we have new seat covers like I said. The carpet's not in that bad a shape, but it still needs to be addressed. We also bought some new components for the glove box. The dash is in pretty good shape. The rear seat, it has a seat cover on it already. Somebody tried to upgrade it. And we'll go around to the other side. Now on the other side, you can see where the door panel is pretty bad. Just where people sweated and leaned their arms against it. The seat cover doesn't really show up the stains really bad. There you can see it pretty good, but it's in pretty bad shape. The headliner is in really bad shape, so we got a new headliner. This particular Beetle also has a sunroof, which is pretty rare in a Beetle. As I said, the dashboard, it's in pretty good shape. So it's minimum work on the dashboard. The trunk area is not in that bad a shape. We got a full-size spare tire. Up in this corner is all the wiring harness. It looks like a spaghetti mess. So we're going to disconnect all the wires, reroute all the wires into a loom. And then I have a laminated board set, also from J-Bugs, and a carpet to match that board set. Should dress it up pretty nicely. That'll be one part of the upcoming restoration project.